guys, welcome back to my YouTube space. If you are new here, my name is Gift Nasimiyu and welcome to Fashion TV, where you get the bombest tips on everything fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So good people, in today's video I'm going to be showing you some lipstick hacks that I have used so many times. So yeah, let me not talk too much, let's just get to it.
So I'll go back. Oh, what a good thing to forget the time I lost with no regrets. Let me.
So good people, let me just show you what the things that we'll be using for this video. So I have my lipsticks over here. This is a glossy one, same to this one. Then I have my soft tissue, my mirror of course, and the most important thing that we need for this hack, wheat flour. Yeah, I know what you're thinking, but yeah, this is what you're going to use for this hack. So let's just do that, see how everything will turn out. So let me transfer this to a tiny container, then we can just start the video. So this is the wheat flour that I've just transferred to a tiny container. So let's just, too much talking, let's do this. So for the first hack, we'll just use the lipstick and the soft tissue. So let me just apply the lipstick real quick. I don't know if you can see it from there, but the lipstick really leaves a shiny effect. So to just reduce the shiny effect, that is where now you will use your soft tissue. So you'll just pat your lips. So you'll pat your lips as you keep applying so that it has a rich color. Then we pat again. So you can do this as many times as you want, so long as you achieve the overall color that you want or the deepness of color that you want. So I'm just going to stop right there so that you can move on to the second hack. Have you ever walked around and you feel like you're all dressed up, your makeup is on point, but then when you're smiling, someone tells you like, excuse, you have lipstick on your teeth? I'm sure most of us have encountered this. So I'm going to give you a tip that will ensure that you don't walk around with lipstick on your teeth. So for this hack, we'll just use the lipstick again. So excess lipstick is what causes lipstick to get onto your teeth. By excess lipstick, I mean excess lipstick in your inner lip, so around here. So what you want to do, once you have applied your matte-free lipstick or your glossy lipstick, you want to use your index finger to just move it around your mouth so that any excess lipstick just transfers onto your finger. So yeah, let's just do that. So this is the excess lipstick that I have on my finger. So that means that hadn't I used my finger to remove the excess, this is what would have transferred onto my teeth. So you want to ensure that anytime you use a glossy lipstick, just use your index finger to get rid of any excess lipstick. For the third hack, this is where now the wheat flour comes into play. So I have just reapplied the lipstick, and as you can see, it's really shiny. So you'll just take your, no, first of all, you'll use your soft tissue to just pat it to get rid of the excess lipstick first. So I'm just going to do that really fast. Then once that is done, I'll just take my wheat flour. Just use a bit, then dab it on your lips. We'll again use a soft tissue to just get rid of the excess wheat flour. And yeah, this is the look. It now looks, it now has that matte effect. I hope that you can see it from there. So yeah, let's try the same hack with this lipstick, glossy lipstick, which is really different from the first one that we used. I'm going to apply this glossy lipstick real quick, then we can apply the wheat flour. The thing with this glossy lipstick is that no matter how long you leave it to just settle in, it never achieves a matte effect. So that is why we're going to use the same wheat flour hack on this lipstick. So for this one, we won't pat it. We'll just go right in and add in the wheat flour. So yeah. Make sure that you also apply on the inner side where there's that line. I don't know if you understand, but yeah, this inner part where the lipstick is, where there's also lipstick. Then again, you're going to use a soft tissue to just get rid of the excess. And as you can tell, as I'm patting, there is no transfer. The soft tissue is clean. It doesn't have any lipstick on it. So this hack really works. So that also means that if you're drinking water from a glass, when you use this hack on the glossy lipstick, there will be zero or minimal transfer of lipstick to your glass. So let me just finish cleaning that off. And boom, you have your matte lipstick. That is it for today's video. If you loved the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please click that subscribe button. And then if you haven't watched my last video that I did on how to use bandana tops to create different tops, I'll just link it so that you can take a look. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye!